Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mod, and today is Terminator Tuesdays, and we have issue 104 of Build the Terminator, and we're really going to put some impact onto this Terminator today, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the back plate. So I'm really excited for this issue, because it's really starting to look nice as the Terminator now. So guess what? I'm eager to get started, so with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so the first thing we need is this part here that we got in the previous issue. And we've got this part here. This is the left side, and this is basically a back panel left. And it's just going to go into there like so. And then we need to screw it in with a PB 2x4mm screw. So we'll get one of these screws in. Quite small. Don't need to glue this part apparently, but I do see it's a little bit off there, but that might be sorted. Okay, so when we've done that, we move on to the other side and we screw that in with the same screw, PB 2x4mm screw. Now I know some people have had problems with this issue, so I'm hoping I don't. That's in place. Okay, so what we need to do next is we've got these parts here. These are the two straight shafts, and what we need to do, we need to put some glue on the end and then put these into place. So I'll get my little glue pot, get a bit of glue. Get my cocktail stick. Probably easier to put glue into the top part here, so that's what I'm going to do. I think that's going to be a lot easier to do it on here than it is on there, because I get glue everywhere. You name it, I glue it. So we'll get this in. Okay, so now we've done that, we need to put these two parts in. So push into place, push that one into place, and that's that bit done. We're just going to put that to one side for a moment, because the next bits we've got are these sort of, look like grub screws, but what we need to do with them is we've got these here. So let's see, 107 is the two ribbed shafts, and then we've got these two fixing blocks here, and we just need to push them into place. Just like that. Okay, then we need to bring the back plate over again, and we're going to be putting these in. Now I'm just looking whereabouts these go. Let's have a look. Right, okay, the instructions are not very clear on this whatsoever of where these go, but I think, right, okay, so they go in there like that. Okay, and we don't need to glue these apparently, so we don't glue them. Okay. Right, so we'll just leave that alone for now, because we need to bring across the Terminator itself. Just going to move that glue pot to one side. Right, so we're going to be working next on this part here. Now, what we've got this here, and it wants us to test fit it first of all. So it's going to go down here. Oh, that's a lovely fit actually. So next we need to put some glue on it. Might need a bit more glue in glue tray just to do this, because it's quite a big area to cover. Right, so let's get some glue on here. I'm just going to blob it on. And I'll do a bit on the other side, just on these edges. And just finish off. Okay, and then we'll put this in. Okay, that's now in place. We're going to do the same on the other side because we've got this one to go on the other side. So again, just a couple of blobs of glue. You can't really see this off camera. Put some on the other side as well. Okay, and we'll get this in place on the other side. A bit harder because I'm not seeing. Okay, that was quite a snug fit, I have to admit. Okay, now this is where the fun begins apparently. We need to flip the Terminator over because we're going to be working on the back plate. Now, I move my shoulders forward. That's going to make this a lot easier. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this into place. But apparently it's now made harder by the parts we've just had to do. Okay, so let's try and get this into place. Got a bit of a gap on this side. Right. That one's in. Right, both sides are in, and that's that back plate fitted. Right, so turning the page of the magazine over. That went a lot smoother than I thought it would do. We need to make sure that these large holes here and here are lined up and the sides are lined up, and we've done that. Okay, so the next thing we need is to screw this down. We've got some screw holes here with the PM 2x6mm screws. And we need 4 of them. I'm telling you now, that went a lot smoother than what I thought it would do. Apparently some people had real problems with theirs. That is going to secure that in place. Right, here we go, that's the next one. Sorry if the light is shining off it, there's not much I can do on that one. Oh, hang on, can I? Ah, there we go, that's a bit better. That's the problem with the when you got a shiny Terminator. Okay, let's get this other one in. So this is the 4th one. And then we'll get the last one in. And then as far as I'm aware, we've just got 2 more screws to do, and then this issue is complete. And yeah, so next we need 2 PM 2x4mm screws. And these are going in here. That's one, and then we've got the last one to do. And that's it. Wow. How long did that take? How long have we been recording for? 11 minutes. Nearly 12 minutes. So that was, yeah. So yeah, we've now got the back plate in place. We've got that detail. And yeah, I'm really impressed with that actually. That looks really, really nice. I know in the next issue we've got some more pistons to do for the top here, and then in 106 we've got the circuit board, and then 107 apparently we actually finished the model off, the actual Terminator itself. So that is going to be really, really exciting when it comes around for that one. But that is issue 104 done. Well, that's it for Terminator Tuesdays, guys. That was a lot simpler than what I thought it'd be. I've heard some people have had real nightmares on issue 104 getting that backplate on, but I'm quite chuffed actually. Mine seemed to go in no problem. There were a bit of a, had to line the sides up a little bit, but yeah, I'm really pleased on how that went. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But guys, as for always, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.